Hey YouTube, I just wanted to do a review on the classic Chanel card holder that I just received from Saks. Now this one is the black caviar with silver hardware. It has a back pocket and it looks like this. Then the front looks like this. Okay, and then when you open it, I just have like a couple cards here, like health insurance, my Starbucks card. Let's see, on the front pocket. Okay, now behind the back pocket there is this space where you can fit about, well, for me, like maybe, I don't know, 8 to 10 business cards, my health insurance cards, my debit card, cash, just extra little leaflets, and some I have like pink earplugs, and then it still fits like coins, and this one, oh, this one is made in France. Then the front has a brand new, cereal sticker, and it looks like, how do I do this? It looks something like that. Okay, so I don't know. I saw somebody that had like a matching authenticity card or something that like goes with these new serial number stickers that are like scrambled up, like excuse me, like letters and numbers, and like on the side I zoomed in and it's like a QR code with the serial numbers and everything. I can't see the button. Okay, so then there is, I don't know, I have like the tags in the back pocket. Yes, I do. Okay, so it says Chanel and the number of my classic flat card holder. Mine's not in white, obviously. I don't know why it says white. Then it has the, there's a RFID chip inside the card holder, which I guess is, I don't know. Okay, then So the original price tag, ready everybody? All right. Now, if I were you, I would pick one up as soon as possible, because I did some research and I came to find out that these have been $550 since 2019, and we're in the year 2022. I'm not gonna say it's extremely hard to find these, but they are sold out in most locations. I just happened to get lucky by I just lucked out basically, and finally got my hands on one after watching a couple videos and really interested in like the size comparisons and just the size itself. I would say in the beginning it's like, how should I say it, like I just wanted more out of this item. However, it is a card holder, but at the same time it's so multifunctional, and it's compact and fits in a walk or something, fits in like any bag, you know. But yeah, it for my lifestyle, it does accommodate like, you know, my needs and stuff. What else? So anyway, it's silver hardware, and it's like at first well, anyway, like I checked all like the stitching, and it's like really pretty and came out really nice, and I'm kind of glad mine has a back pocket, because some of these models don't have a back pocket nor like any kind of thing on the back. So I'm very grateful it has a pocket in the back. Then it's kind of like, I don't know, it just like rests in my palm. So it's not like huge or anything, you see. So the disappointment kind of is just, you know, like maybe it could have been a wee bigger, but anyway, it's cute. It fits everything. So, like, why complain? It's just like a small, like, wallet if you think about it. But, I don't know. At first, I thought it was a coin purse. And then under that impression, I wanted to buy it. But then I found out it was a card holder. So, even better. And then there's this girl on YouTube, and well, after seeing, like I said, I didn't expect it to be so tiny. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but they do have, and I have owned the small flap, the classic one in lambskin. They have a medium size and a large. And the small one does fit a lot of things actually. It's just, I don't know if they discontinued it or it's just off the market, because that too is a classic item and I haven't seen it in a while. I'm just taking a wild guess. And what else? I know like wear and tear about caviar. Everybody picks this one as opposed to lambskin. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If anybody has any questions or comments, just please rate, subscribe, and push the like button. And let me know how you feel about this, I want to say this season, but it's classic. But I've never seen this out of all my years, so I don't know if it's truly a classic, but it's like, it says it's a classic, but where are they in the stores, you know? This one, I mean, like, when have you seen this one in the stores? Like, I haven't. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video, and we'll just wait for the next unboxing. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.